According to a DHEC report that was released today, kids are just not as healthy as they were before the pandemic.
The data also highlights disproportionate effects on minority students. News 19's Zoe Henry has more.
Parents need to encourage their students to get 60 minutes of physical activity a day.
That's the advice from Lisa Curtis, the Health and Physical Education Coordinator for Richland One Schools.
Schools help take care of part of that, but then we need parents to work with their children.
Brianna Mealing works with DHEC and collected and analyzed data on children's health from before the pandemic and compared it to where they are now. She says before the pandemic, schools were the main source of physical activity for students.
We know that schools are hubs for students to have a safe and affordable place to be physically active.
The changes that came with the pandemic impacted how active students were able to be.
There's the social distancing, and there's some limitations to the opportunities that students had.
Students in the healthy weight category dropped 6%, from 65 to 59%.
During that period of time, during the COVID years, that there was a steady decline in the heart and lung health of students, as well as the healthy weight status of students.
The study also highlighted the disparity between white students and Black and Hispanic students.
Well, this is something that is not new or necessarily driven just by COVID-19. This is something that we find in the data altogether.
To help fill those gaps, DHEC says,
a simple solution: using community spaces like an open field or playground.
A more complex solution, Mealing adds, involves parents, PE teachers, and community leaders to increase opportunities for physical activity for students.
On our website, what we have are one-pagers that highlight some of the things that families can do, again, communities can do, and schools can do.
In Columbia, Zoe Henry, News 19, WLTX.
DHEC says the study is based on data collected during an assessment in physical education classes for grades 2, 5, and 8. And as